Cyber security. There are people working in enterprise, corporate, to protect the corporate assets, corporate digital asset, corporate identities, corporate data, apps, infrastructures, everything. Red team, blue teams, SOC teams, cyber security analyst, security engineers working in corporate. If you look at the general category, these hackers, they are coming under the general category. No one is going to hire the hackers, but there is a great demand in cyber security analysts, cyber security engineers in corporates, enterprises. So if you want to select cyber security as your career, you have to learn how the enterprises, how the corporate protecting their digital assets. You should learn threat intelligence, TI. What is TI? How it is used in to protect corporate digital assets. Incident response, SOC, Security Operations Center, SOC operation, how the SOC is functioning, what are the layers in SOC, SOC analyst 1, L1, SOC analyst L2, SOC analyst L3, and then SIM and SOAR tools. SIM, Security Information Event Management, SOAR, Security Operation Orchestrated Automated Response, Security Orchestration Automated Response, SOAR. Nowadays, most of the tools, SIM tools, it combines the feature of SIM and SOAR. Example: Microsoft Sentinel, Splunk, QRadar, Wiz, Washu. There is a lot of tools available in market. CrowdStrike and vulnerability management, and then attack surface reduction. There is a lot. So you have to study all this topic if you want to work as a cyber security analyst or cyber security engineers in corporate environment. We will look into this in details. Identity and access security. If you go to check in any job portal like LinkedIn, Naukri, or some other portals, you will find IAM engineers, Identity and Access Management Engineers, IAM, Identity Access Management. There is a lot of recommend for this. So if you want to become a IAM engineer, you should learn IAM, Identity and Access Management, PAM, privilege access management. IGA, identity governance and administration. This Entra ID, Okta, CyberArk are various tools used in IAM. You should learn what is MFA, how to implement MFA policies, condition access policies, how we are integrating identity providers like Entra ID, Okta with cloud apps. What is SSO? Privilege escalation and just-in-time access. IAM is a big topic. We can cover it. If you want to work as a IAM engineers, you should learn this. Information and data security. So if you want to become a security engineers, cyber security engineers, cloud engineer, or Microsoft security engineer, you have to study a lot. In the information and data security, it will cover protecting the organizational data from loss, leakage, and misuse, including data classification, encryption, DLP, rights management. These are all comes under compliance purview. Application and DevSecOps security. In this, it will focus on securing the code, API security, CI/CD pipeline scanning, container and Kubernetes security. These are all covered in application and DevSecOps security. Endpoint and device security. It will cover securing the laptop, securing the mobile devices, securing the IoT devices, securing the OT devices. Laptops, end user devices. Mobiles, Android, iPhone, MacBooks, Windows, everything it will cover. IoT, CCTV camera, printers, scanners, sensors, industrial sensors. These are all comes under IoT devices. Operational devices, it will cover a lot of devices used in manufacturing sector. This endpoint and device security covers EDR and XDR solution. We are using EDR and XDR solution to protect the endpoints and devices. We use Intune different of our endpoints to protect the devices. We use IoT, OT security tools like ISO different of our IoT. If you want to work as a endpoint security, endpoint admin, Intune admin, you need to study these things. Network and perimeter security to focus on protecting communication channels and network boundaries like firewalls, GTNA, SD-WAN, web and email gateways, DNS security, and then zero trust network architectures. So you have to study these topics to become a network security admin. Governance, Risk and Compliance (GRC). It focuses on policy frameworks, audit, and compliance regulation like ISO 27001, NIST, CIS. It will cover risk assessment and mitigation, like view, compliance manager, everything. These are all items comes under GRC. Operation technology and IoT security. So this will cover securing the industrial systems, manufacturing industries. It include ICS, SCADA production, IoT device onboarding and monitoring, Defender for IoT, everything. Finally, it is AI, artificial intelligence, and emerging tech security. It will protect AI models, data pipelines, machine learning workloads. It will cover AI model poisoning protection, prompt injection defenses, AI policy and governance framework. So these are all the security domains you need to focus if you want to become a cybersecurity engineer or cloud security engineers or Microsoft 365 security engineers. So these are all the security domains you need to focus. Microsoft 365 security, cloud security, infrastructure security, identity and access security, information and data security, application and DevSecOps security, endpoint and device security, governance, risk and compliance, operational technology, and IoT security.